In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to claim a discount in HelloFresh. If you receive a link from me, or if you saw my post in Facebook or any of my social media, then this is a quick walkthrough on how to claim it. So claim your discount $40. I can also send it to your email. You could just send me a message and I'm gonna send it to your email, or just click the link. And this is what will happen. So click the claim your $40 discount, and then it will go to this homepage. It will show discount successfully applied. You'll save $40 on your first delivery. So after that, you have to choose either you want meat and veggies, just veggies, family and friendly, and calorie smart. You can see all of the information here and what are those recipes that they're gonna give. So aside from that, you can choose on the number of people or number of servings. If it's either 2 people or 4 people, they have different options, so you can just like navigate on the home page. So I usually use the meat and veggies, wherein you could choose 2 or 4. I use 2, or I click 2. Recipe for the recipes per week, it's either 2, 3, or 4. Well, I'm usually getting number 3 or 3 recipes, because as you can see, it's $2.32 plus shipping. So all the detailed information again is down here. If you wanted to view or read some reviews that they have, it will just show down here. And then you just have to select the plan. After that, you just have to log in using your email. It's up to you if you wanted to use your Facebook or Google, if you're signed into your Google or Gmail. And then you can also use other email. Just type it in here and hit continue. So on my end, I use Google because I'm logged into my email. So just have to click on that. And then it will give you the information, like the payment. And since I've already did that, it's not letting me show you what's on that page. But as what I'm saying, it will like route you to a page wherein you have to put your debit card or your PayPal, and then just click OK, and then they're gonna send you the invoice. So once that you do that, this will be your profile for HelloFresh. You can see the menu. They have also wines. You can also send it as a gift to your friends or family. And then let's try to check this getting started. And all of the information are on the getting started account. That's pretty cool, right? If you have other inquiry, or if you're confused about this HelloFresh, you can also contact their hotline. I usually call them. You can chat them, but I usually call them just for like fast answer for my query. So it's that. And this one other thing why I'm pushing this HelloFresh is it's not just me who can help and give you $40 if you sign up, but I will also get something from it. I will get $20 per referral if you sign up, and you can get the link here and the Hello Rewards. You just have to click the send off, and then you can copy the link, send it to Messenger, Facebook, or Twitter, or you can just manually put your friend's name and email. And you can just navigate on your profile. Like you can check the recipe for the week, and your account information. When you click account settings, all the information is in there. And one other thing, take note that when you first sign up on this HelloFresh, then definitely you'll get a $40 discount, right? After that, they will be charging you like, it depends. Like on my end, they will be charging me like $62 per week. if I didn't cancel it. So it's up to you if you wanted to continue doing that. It's for your convenience if you don't want it to go to the grocery store. Again, it's up to you whether you wanted to continue their service or the subscription, or you can cancel it out. To cancel it, fastest way to do it is to call them. That's what I did last time, but I sign up again. For me, it's like convenience. I cannot go to like the grocery store and they have the recipe. I don't know how to cook, and I'm just starting up. I'm just following the recipe idea that they give us, and it's pretty cool. I have a video the first time that I got this HelloFresh box, and it's like a review for this HelloFresh. So I hope you watch that. It's on the link you can see right now on the screen. Just click that and it's gonna show you what happened that time. So I hope this video helped you out, and just comment down below if you have any suggestion, or you wanted to react whether it is really a good app or not. Then just comment down below. Okay, and again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.